I opened my package, and there's another box. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Amazing. And I have a thing for boxes. Ooh. It's wrapped up so pretty. Can't believe this is my first ever Aritzia purchase ever. Thank you. No, thank you. Ooh. Oh, cool. So if I ever want to return something, it's there. Oh, I thought it would have been a pretty interesting thank you letter, but it's not. It's just the refund policy. Cool. Really nice, though. It's an awesome little card there. Okay. Oh, I'm super excited. I'm supposed to do dishes and not open this package. That didn't happen. Oh, it's wrapped so nicely. Not anymore. Look at the wrapping paper. Oh, what I purchased. I got I think this is Tallulah bustier top. It's very pretty. Nice pink. Maybe I should have gotten a small. Probably. But I didn't. Really cool. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Because I live in Alberta now, I wanted to get myself a nice warm wool sweater. Check that out. Really beautiful. Let's look at that. Very nice. Very happy for my purchase. Oh, and I got myself another nice sweater. It's like a nice little pink. It's from Tallulah. I am made with cashmere, and I'm soft and warm. Cuddle me. I should just staple that to my chest, and hopefully my boyfriend sees it and cuddles me. That's gay. Really cool. Awesome. So this will definitely not be my last purchase with Aritzia. It was very fast, and you know, obviously they have a thing for the finer little details. Really cool. Really impressed. Cool. Okay, have fun.